Hello everyone! How are you today, Mat1? Are you okay? Are you good? Let's get started. First, let's review some things. Let's see if you remember about the farm animals. Let's go. Let's say together. What is this, guys? Cow. Cow. And what is this? Horse. Horse. What is this? Duck. Duck. And what is this? Pig. Pig. And what about this one? Sheep. Sheep. Good job. Very good. Now, guys, which one is bigger? Qual é maior? Which one is bigger? The duck or the cow? Which one is bigger? The duck or the cow? It's the cow. You are right. The cow is bigger, maior, bigger. Very good. And what about here? Which one is smaller and menor? Which one is smaller? The horse or the pig? Which one is smaller? Yeah, it's the pig. Pig. Very good. And now, which one is black and white? Which one is black and white? The sheep or the cow? Yeah, you are right. The cow is black and white. The cow. Very good, guys. Great job. Now, let's pay attention here. A gente vai ver uma sequência. Será que vocês conseguem adivinhar qual é o último que completa? Vamos ver junto? Ó, first we have, let's say the name, cow. And then, horse. O que será que vai aparecer agora? Cow. E agora? Horse. Let's see. We have 4 animals. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Aqui a gente tem, ó, 4 animals. Que é, ó, cow, horse. Cow, horse. Qual será que vai aparecer agora? Let's see if you are right. Yeah, it's the cow. Very good. Good job. Let's see one more. Again. Which animal is this one? Pig. Very good. Pig. And what about this one? Sheep. We have a pig and a sheep. Let's see. Another pig. E agora, qual será o animal que vai aparecer? Yeah, it's a sheep. And we have, let's see, opa, again, a pig. So let's see, we have a pig, a sheep, a pig, a sheep, a pig. O que será que vai aparecer para completar essa sequência? You were right if you said sheep. Very good, very good. One more. Let's say pig. Which animal is this one? Duck. Qual será que vai aparecer agora? Pig. Duck. Here we have 4 pictures. A gente já tem, ó, 4 imagens. O que a gente tem aqui? A pig, a duck. A pig, a duck. O que será que vem agora? A pig. And what about the last one? What do you think? You were right if you said A dog. Very good. Very good, guys. Good job. Now, let's talk about your activity. Essa é a atividade que foi enviada para vocês pela escola. E aqui a gente tem uma sequência também. Aqui, ó, nessa sequência a gente tem a cow, a sheep. A cow, a sheep. O que será que deveria aparecer aqui? Dessa vez não vai aparecer, porque é para você completar aí na sua casa. Só que você vai completar, ó, drawing, desenhando. Será que você consegue completar aqui o espaço? O que será que tem que aparecer? Ó, cow, sheep, cow, sheep. And then you have to fill it. Você completa, ok? So, guys, that's it for today. It was nice to be here with you, but now it's time to sing and dance a bye-bye song.
Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Big kiss. Have a nice weekend.